Hello guys, this is True Game, and we're back at our local pond. We got something different for you. So we're gonna go out kayak fishing. 1 second. I've got a lot here. Let's shrink this down. So we've got the necessaries, the net, our fishing poles, of course. We've got the bonker, so we can incapacitate the fish as fast as possible. Can you push off, Marco? Okay. Yeah, we might be. Okay, already running into kayak troubles. It's alright. But yeah, so we both have crankbaits. Okay. So, we could get trout on them. I guess we're really targeting bass. Okay, you ready? Push. Okay, I'll get the other side. No, get that side. We need force on both sides. Okay. And we're off. So, I'm gonna get back to you guys when something happens. Man, the lure might be good, but it's currently hooking me, so I guess you guys get some film. It's been what, like 100 feet, 10 seconds. Got hooked in the foot. Oh, so close. So Marco's helping with that. Oh, I know I might not have comments, but I want all of you guys to say, when you see this video, happy birthday to Marco. And I'm gonna I think I might end up leaving my email. Oh, it's a mosquito in the water. No. What? Okay, let's see. I got one, but I just can't get that. I might leave my email in there, or I might put Marco's in. Bro, did it get rehooked? Oh my gosh, almost. Brother. Ow. It's way too early to be dealing with this. Okay, I'll be back. Still at it. Me and Marco were just talking about if we fell over. He's like, I'd be hooked to my fishing pole. But life hack, if you do, honestly, don't sue me if you guys decide to do this. But if you fall in, just hook yourself in the clothes, and your fishing pole should stay with you. Oh, did I get another one out? Nope. Yeah, and there's one that's so far. Oh my gosh. Okay. See you guys later. Okay, we're back. So I ended up cutting 2 of the hooks in the back and 1 of the hooks in the front. I might need I can replace those. But yeah, here we are out on our beautiful pond. There you go. Okay. We could chill now. So yeah, we're gonna go over to this corner. You could cast out. Down there, you can see where my finger's pointing. Down there by the trees. In order to crap, mine's in the water. That's where the bass are. Marco, we're drifting. I got a bass on this silver shad mimic I'm using over there. So we both have crankbaits. Oh my. Gosh, why is the current so strong right now? So, yeah, so here's the pond. It's more like, I don't know, I consider this more of a lake than a pond, but yeah. So, we'll show you once we start getting at it. So, sadly guys, I didn't get to bring the whole fishing kit, but I was able to bring the net, my fish bunker, my multi-tool, some pliers, a weight. I think I might have brought out my tape measure. But yeah, so we weren't able to bring the whole kit out. Too much chance of dropping stuff. Like I lost one of my poles at the lake we went ice fishing at, while kayak fishing. So, yeah. Where's your fishing pole? Huh? Okay. What? Okay. There you go. So the trawling's kind of going slow. Well, not kind of, it is going slow. Let's talk about updates. One big update is I have a 128 gigabyte memory card in this camera, so this camera could go with more memory, so I could post a video and have plenty of video left for another video. Getting a little, actually I've got a little GoPro. I say getting right now, but the last video I've used it, so yeah. So yeah, how do you guys, question of the day, how do you guys like my Alaska gear? Now I think I'm gonna do this. I've never really done this with any channel, but it's my channel. I think it's about time. Ooh, that was a hit. Keep going. Verse of the day. So in seminary we're on the Book of Mormon right now, curriculum. Marco. What should the verse of the day be? Huh?
Psalm 73:26.
Ooh, you heard that. Psalm 73:26. So never mind, not Book of Mormon. We're gonna go to the Holy Bible. So, you guys watching that, I want you guys to read that and think about that verse and tell me, fish on. Yep. Got ready? Trout, nice.
Yep, fishy.
Get it. There we go. Nice! Whew.
He's definitely happy. He's got pretty colors, though.
So, think about how that verse can improve your day, or what that verse means to you, and yeah, well, now it's the beginning of a bigger ordeal to get this fish out. Okay, here you go. Man, the problem with treble hooks is that they get stuck in everything. Oh, fish off. Fish off the hook. Oh. Oh. There you go. Marco, it's your turn. Go get one. So as you can see, we're going for bass primarily, but trout is welcomed. It is delicious. All of you guys that say trout is not fish, or trout is not a sports fish, I don't know what you guys are going on about. Trout is a delicious sport fish, especially if you get a good one. If you got a good one that's eating shad, nope. Marcos thinks he's getting hit by a bass. Let's see what he gets. Okay. And we are... And we're done. There we go. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get more action. But yes, please read the verse of the day. It'll make my day. It might help your day. It might help you with something you're struggling with. So... we're going back out. Where's your line? Which side is it on? But yeah, pretty little trout. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was a terrible cast out. Whatever. So now we're casting out. And we're going to continue. Oh, was that hits or was that you? We're going to continue on our way through the lake. Oh, yep, it's on. Going to continue our way through the lake. So, oh, what are those? Mallard? No. Are those mallards? Yeah, I have no idea what those are. Oh, also, hot air balloon. So that's cool. So, we'll see you guys in a bit. I have another fish.
Oh yeah, that's
cool. Yep, fish on. Yep, nice. Oh, that's a small trout. Okay. Okay. Let's see this little guy. I wonder if I should keep this guy. Huh? You think? Okay. I mean, doggone it, bro. Chill out. If you don't chill out, I am going to keep you. He kind of hooked himself in the eye. Okay. Man, I hate when this hooks any sort of fabric, because hooks do not come out fabric great. Stop moving! Stop it! Fine, let me unhook you and then... Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, we had a bit of a conundrum with this fish. We decided to take it, to keep it, take it out of its misery. There we go. Okay, here we go. That is half a limit for me. I'm gonna condense this down again, and seems like it's gonna be a good day to go fishing. They planted, so that makes this even better. So let's get Marco a fish. Everyone, I want you to say right now in this point of the video, let's get Marco a fish, okay? I don't care if your family's there. I don't care who's there. Even if there's a random stranger that looks at you strange, I want you to scream, let's get Marco a fish. Okay, you guys can do that? I know you can. I know all 21 of you subscribers can do that. I know everyone else at home can also do that. So let's do this. Okay, I'll meet you guys back in a bit. Okay guys, we're back. We talked to my dad, dropped off the fish. So we're going back at it. Okay, let's go. Let's get out this one, Marco. You got hit?
I got a hit on it.
Okay, Marco has had his first bite. Well, not his first bite, but the first bite on this pass. I think we're gonna have to go at an angle to keep our line straight. Oh, is that another fish? Whoa, what was that? Okay, well, keep going. Proceed! Yep, that was a fish. Maybe not. Okay, well, let's go.
That's what I've noticed with the weight, when we accelerate, it goes down.
Yeah. But that felt much harder than what it feels like when you accelerate with your weight on. Oh, yeah, that was definitely.
Yeah, I accelerated more, I think.
Yeah. Well, see you guys later.
Bro, how?
Just keep it in your hands. Okay, so Marco got another hit. So he got 2 hits actually and had a really big bite. So I'm going to do the paddling. Marco's going to be doing the fish catching. 1 second. Where did that mosquito go? Oh, yep, I got the mosquito. Oh, there goes a fish right there that just jumped.
Alright, we'll keep them out there.
So, yeah, well, let's see again. You have a bite? I think they go deeper with